Hello everyone. I hope everyone is healthy and safe. First of all, I would like to thank our leaders to give me this opportunity to learn and develop my leadership skills. And also, I would like to congratulate our LC team for this great initiative. So, I believe this LTP program. The interaction with the speakers during this session give us a path to think differently, and we understand that what are the new approach we can adapt to make our job and skills and our day-to-day activity more effectively. And I also want, and I'm looking for a more opportunity to learn and to grow with this organization. Thanks a lot.
Hi Apollo Home Care. Thanks for starting these kind of leadership development programs. Thanks to be part of this program. I request concerned teams to take more frequent programs like this. Thank you all.
My name is Abhijit. I want to thank Learning Center team for organizing Learn to Lead program. This training session was really helpful for me. All the speakers were really good, but my favorite was Chenguveli Venkat sir, because the way he has explained the negotiation part was very impressive. I would request the Apollo Home Care team to organize more such training sessions. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Ebenezer. I work with the Chennai unit with the service delivery department. I'm new to home care, and I'm so grateful and thankful to the leadership for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this excellent leadership training program. Over the last 2 months, I have personally learned from the captains of the industry on goal setting, communication, strategic leadership, delegation, negotiation, team building, and several other topics that has helped me to think on the way I lead teams, and has given me some important nuggets for me to practice that would help me to emerge as a better leader. The good thing about this program is that the leadership has taken initiative, the learning department has taken the initiative to bring in some people who are part of who have been business leaders, who have been trainers, who have been captains of different industries to talk about their perspective and their learnings that were so rich. Personally, I was edified by those trainings, and I truly enjoyed those sessions. The only drawback was that we were all of us were sitting in different parts of the country, sitting at our desks and listening to these wonderful lectures. And I think the resource persons took the opportunity to to help to make us participate even in this resource limited setting. I think they went their way. They were patient with us. That's one thing that I was able to observe, that many of them were not frustrated when we didn't respond sometimes, and they were patient enough, and they were able to deliver the content that was so useful to us. So once again, I want to thank our beloved CEO, Dr. Joshi, and the leadership and the training department for organizing this program. And I can truly say that this has been beneficial to me, and the things that I've learned, I would definitely put in use in the days to come. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Mustafa. First of all, thank you to the Learning Center team for giving me an opportunity to participate in this Learn to Lead program. I really enjoyed this program, and I learned so many things from this program. few speakers, they have shared their real-time experiences in this program. That real-time experience it really will help us in future if we have any difficulties for decision making or negotiations. This is a very helpful program, and Apollo Home Care Management, they want to see all the employees as leaders and managers. It is a really good program. A special thanks to Sweta ma'am for conducting this type of program. I am expecting few more programs to motivate the employees and to develop the employees and their career path. Thank you so much.